Today we talk about how can you enable like it events notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So then you click here on settings here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go here up of push notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to like it events, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us that smell like it events enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.